Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on live caption in calls in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this function and how to turn it on. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility menu here. Next in here enhancements, at the top we have live caption. Right now we have this option enabled but by default it's turned off. And here we have our caption calls. So we can change it from here. We can have it always on, or we can have it asking us every time. Let's leave it as always on, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.